Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock specific cells in Excel, so others can't edit your formulas or important data. Let's say we have an employee salary sheet with names, positions, salaries, bonus percentages, and a final amount that's calculated using a formula. We want people to be able to change the salary and bonus, but not the formula in the final amount column. Here's how to do it. First, select the entire table. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Then go to the Protection tab and uncheck Locked. This step unlocks all the cells so we can later choose exactly what to lock. Next, select only the Final Amount column, where the formulas are. Again, go to Format Cells, and this time, make sure Locked is checked. Now, go to the Review tab on the top ribbon, click Protect Sheet, and set a password if you want. Once you protect the sheet, only the locked cells, in this case, the formulas, will be protected. Users can still update salaries and bonuses, but they won't be able to break your formulas. And that's it. Quick, clean, and super useful when you're sharing your Excel files with others. To unlock the protected cells and make changes again, just go to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. If you set a password earlier, you'll need to enter it now. Once the sheet is unprotected, you can edit the locked cells as usual, including your formulas. You got it! In the next videos, we'll explore even more useful functions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you soon!